10 diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith Diwrnod 9. Day 9 Navigation. Heddiw, ydych chi'n mynd i Gastell y Fflint, Parc Gwepre a Chastell Ewlo. Today you'll be visiting Flintshire, starting at Flint Castle, then visiting Wepre Park and Ewloe Castle. Gyrrwch i Gastell y Fflint, CH6 5PH. Travel to Flint. The castle is well signposted from the roads around the town centre. Gyrrwch i Gastell y Fflint, CH6 5PH. Drive past the castle and park in the car park next to the RNLI station. Castell y Fflint. Explore the castle, read the interpretation signs and complete the 2 tasks about the castle and its history. Ardal Castell y Fflint. In the car park there is a Welcome to Flint sign. This gives details of the area around the castle. Llwybr Arfordir, Cymru. Head a little way down the North Wales coastal path and read the story about Taliesin in the Mabinogi. Porthladd y Fflint. Walk towards Flint Dock and complete the task about the blue books. Amser cinio. Llwybr treftadaeth. Follow the heritage trail into the centre of town to find somewhere to have lunch. Gyrrwch i Parc Gwepre, CH5 4HW. From the castle, head to the main road and turn left towards Connors Quay and Shotton. Turn off the dual carriageway before going over the suspension bridge. Carry on the road and at the traffic lights, turn right, signed to Wepre Park. Parc Gwepre. There is a large free car park at the entrance to the park. At the far left-hand side of the car park is the path up to the castle. There is a display board with a map of the park. Remember to take a photo of the map of the park to help you in case you get lost. Cerddwch i'r castell. Head out of the car park to the left of the children's park and follow the river up the valley. It's approximately a mile up to the castle. There is a task to complete on your way. Castell Ewlo. When you arrive at the castle, head up to the highest point, then complete 2 tasks about the castle and its history. Cerddwch yn ôl i'r maes parcio. Walk round the castle site and head back towards the car park. After the red rocks, turn left up the hill towards Wepre Lane. Just before leaving the park boundary, turn right down through the woods to the lake. Gerddi Parc Gwepre. The cafe is built on the site of Wepre Hall. There is a task to complete in the old formal gardens behind the cafe. You can write your postcard for the day here. amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartref. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you have learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history.